Guys, can you see me? Can you hear me, bacha log? Can you do that? Can you hear me? Can you see me? Hi. Hi, Shivansh Yadav. Hi, hi, hi. How are you doing? Sangam Kumari. Hi, Sangam Kumari. Hi, Mohammad Ashraf. Hi, Manak. Hi, Alicia. Hello. Guys, are you there? Can you hear me? Can you see me? If you can, please give me a thumbs up or any emoji in the live chat. Yes. Please do that. Anyone? Hi guys, can you hear me? Okay, no worries. I am not getting any reply. So, hello. Okay, so I think you can hear me and you can see me as well. So for everybody who is new out here, yes, हम आपको बताना चाहते हैं कि हमारा नाम भावना बिष्ट है, and the slide that is displayed is me and a little bit of information about me, guys. Okay, so I am Bhavana Bisht. Yes, I have been in the teaching profession for last 2.5 years and I have taught all these subjects from chemistry, biology, physics to sometimes even mathematics. Can you believe that? Currently, I'm teaching in Vakanga Group Tuitions, that is in Mumbai. I've done my master's in botany, a few research projects here and there, and I am fluent in Hindi, English, and Marathi. So, if there is any concept that you might have a little trouble in and you want me to convert the language so you don't have any barriers, so we can do that. Yes, and भाई किसके पास time नहीं होता है किल करने को. So in that period, I do read a lot of books. Yes, quite geeky. Yeah, so moving on, guys, a little bit of promotion to banta hai because you are live, you're watching me on the Unacademy Plus channel, right? So I am an educator on Unacademy Plus, wherein I take live classes, weekly quizzes, solving live sessions, practice questions, and test series, everything at your fingertips, you people. Yes, and also these are the ongoing batches, the upcoming batches, a top test series, and lots of polls. So what are you waiting for? And also, guys, no language barrier because we are available in both Hindi and English. So किस बात की देरी है भैया? We are all ready to make you the best out there. And are you ready to join us? Yes. So it's a cute little video for you all. Do enjoy. Hi Vaishnavi, hello guys, hi. Yes, आज quiz होगा. आज Unacademy Live पे quiz नहीं होगा, guys. Just see the video, then we'll discuss about the quiz. Okay, so further on, if you like me, if you like how I teach, you can subscribe right now to class 10. So 6 months, 12 months, whatever you require, or you can directly take class 10, 11, and 12. It will be very beneficial for you, going up to 1042 rupees per month only. So you see, kitna cheap hai, and you see the quality, that is amazing. So what are you waiting for? Come on, jump on. Yes, and how do you do it? You download the Unacademy app, manage your goals, you type it as CBSE class 10, select plus, get subscription, any plan that you like. If you like me, put on my code, that is BB60. You get a whooping 10% off, you babies. Yes, and then you're welcome to plus daily live lectures of all subjects at your fingertips. Yes, that is absolutely right. So today we are doing a quick revision on how do organisms reproduce. That is chapter number 8, of your NCERT textbook. Yes, guys. So let's crack it. Yes. I hope I'm audible to everybody. Yes. Hi, Tahira. Hello. नहीं प्रशांत शुक्ला, हम बिल्कुल अच्छे हैं. आदित्य, I am absolutely fine. Yes. Hi, Shrishti. Hi, Aditya Devangan. Hello. Hi, Yatakshi Goyal. Hello, hello, hello. Yatakshi. Hi, bacha. Yes. Oh, okay, guys. So, shall we begin? Shall we begin today's lecture, guys? Everybody, give me a big high five. Ta-dak. Yes, and let's do. So, today we will be covering the role of DNA, importance of variation, modes of reproduction. Basically, our plan is to cover single organisms, that is asexual reproduction. So, let's see क्या होता है. And today we are not doing Unacademy live quiz, guys. Yes, we will be doing quizzes over here in this platform, that is on YouTube. Okay, yes, that is it. That is it. So let's start, guys. Let's start. So how many of you actually like your relatives? Okay, the relatives I mean is भाई जो आपको 10-20 साल बाद मिलते हैं हम बोलते हैं अरे तू इतना बड़ा हो गया. Have you seen any such relatives? Do you like them, guys? Yes, please let me know if you do. Yes, होता है क्या? जल्दी बताओ. I'm waiting. Hi Alicia Parvez. Hi Akshar Sadana. Hello. Yes, and whenever these relatives come, right, they are like, अरे तू इतना बड़ा हो गया. बचपन में ना तो बिल्कुल मम्मी जैसा दिखता था. अभी तो तू बिल्कुल डिक्टो अपने पापा पे गया है. बराबर. These are the statements often heard by our relatives saying it to us. Yes, and sometimes like अरे तेरी आंखें ना बिल्कुल मम्मी जैसी गई है. Your hairs are so beautiful, right? What is all of this? What is all of this? Are the relatives, the people outside in the world tell us what is all of that? Yes, तो इसका मतलब क्या है कि कुछ तो सिमिलैरिटी है हम में और हमारे पेरेंट्स में. एंड प्लस देयर आर वेरिएशंस आल्सो, वरना हम लोग एकदम डिक्टो नहीं दिखते. सब ट्विंस की फैमिली लगती पूरी की पूरी, बट ऐसा होता है नहीं होता है. वी हैव वेरिएशंस एंड वी आल्सो हैव सम similarities, right? So how does that happen? We will find out in this chapter, guys. And also, do you see how cute these people are looking? You see they are pups and the man lion and the woman lion, right? Lion and the lioness. Yes, they do also have the same formula of reproduction. Yes. So guys, life processes का ना पूरा एक अलग chapter था, where we saw digestion, respiration, transportation and even excretion, right? And life processes are something that are helping us to sustain life. बट रिप्रोडक्शन के ऊपर पूरा अलग से चैप्टर. एंड अगर रिप्रोडक्शन नहीं किया तो ऐसा तो नहीं है कि हम मरने वाले, राइट? इट इज नॉट हेल्पिंग अस टू सस्टेन आवर लाइफ. इट इज नॉट एनी वे हेल्पिंग अस टू लिव आवर लाइफ. So what is the significance and why do we have a separate big chapter for it, right? Yes, so that is exactly what we are going to find out today. Okay, yes. So although reproduction is not something that helps you sustain your life, it is something that helps you continue your species. Just imagine if human beings stop reproducing, what is going to happen after 40, 60, 100 years? There is not going to be any human being left on earth and we will be extinct, you people. Yes, so reproduction is very essential to continue one particular species. It can be human beings, animals, lions, cats, billy, kutta, kuch bhi ho sakta, even butterflies, even caterpillars, right? So everybody needs to reproduce so that they can continue their species. And we all know that we have a particular food chain that we need to follow, otherwise the whole world will be a chaos. Understood? Yes. And as a result, हर एक छोटे से छोटा organism, हर एक बड़े से बड़ा organism has their own place in the food chain and they all are essential. ठीक है? ओके, यस मानक शर्मा, दैट इज एब्सोल्युटली राइट. सो अब मुझे ये बताइए बच्चा लोग, अब मुझे ये बताइए कि ये जो रिप्रोडक्शन होता है एंड एवरीथिंग, राइट? सो इट हैपेंस ड्यू टू समथिंग, सम पर्टिकुलर थिंग, एंड उसका पिक्चर ये आप देख सकते हैं ऑन द स्लाइड. कैन यू टेल मी व्हाट इज शोन ऑन द पिक्चर? कैन यू टेल मी व्हाट इज शोन ऑन द पिक्चर, गाइस? व्हाट इज दैट स्ट्रक्चर दैट यू सी? क्या आप हमें बता सकते हैं व्हाट इज द स्ट्रक्चर दैट यू सी? जल्दी. I'm waiting. DNA. Can you be more specific and give me the full form of DNA? Yes, can you do that? I'm looking downwards because I'm seeing your responses, bacha. Wow, Prashant Shukla, deoxyribonucleic acid, but आपकी nucleic की spelling wrong है. Yes, so these DNA guys, these DNA basically they contain all of our characters, but वो characters किस में हैं? So if you take any segment of DNA which encodes for a particular protein, and that protein is responsible for a particular characteristic in your body, yes, and that segment is known as a gene. Yes, that is known as a gene, and these genes are essentially important to bring out a particular character in yourself. It can be brown eyes, hypnotize, or it can be your sweet, beautiful, luscious hairs, or your nails, or the color of your skin, or anything, right? So they are all. Why? Because जैसे कंप्यूटर में आप कोडिंग करते हो and the program develops, in the same way a coding is done in our DNA, and that is how we as organisms come out to be. ठीक है? Okay. Now just imagine कि हमारे पास DNA है. How much DNA do we have? We have 23 pairs. ठीक है? So how does like reproduction happen, guys? So there's a male, yes, there's a female. They both fuse their germ cells, yes, and I get a new organism, right? I get a new organism. But ये जो नया organism आता है, तो इसमें कितना होना चाहिए? 23 DNA in K, pairs of DNA in K, and 23 pairs of DNA in K. So I should have big whooping 46. Yes, then another, these are the first male and female, right? So ऐसे जब होता जाएगा तो it is going to increase in the multiples of 23, right? And can you imagine the amount of genetic material that we are going to have in our bodies, and even क्या वो required भी है? So that is what we are going to study in this chapter कि बाबा cell division करके कुछ तो होता है जहाँ पे mitosis and meiosis कुछ होता है. And what happens in meiosis, guys? The chromosome number is directly halved. मतलब क्या कि जो भी germ cells होते हैं, germ cells क्या होते हैं, which help in reproduction, they have half the number of chromosomes. That is, if we have 23 pairs of chromosomes, right, the germ cells have only 23 chromosomes. So 23 chromosomes will come from a male, 23 will come from a female, and I will get 46. That is the total number of chromosomes that every normal human being on earth has. Yes, I hope everything is clear till here. If you have any doubts, please ask me in the comment section. Okay, and अगर आप ये recording देख रहे हैं तो still you can ask me the doubt in the comment section and I will reply there, guys. Do not worry. Hi Sudhishi Agarwal. Hi Arya. Hello. Yes, very good, Alicia. That is absolutely right. Fire X Shadow, please do not spam, बच्चा. Yes, let's move on. So now we come to मैम ठीक है, reproduction हो गया, ठीक है. आपने बोला कि हम थोड़े similar भी दिखते हैं and थोड़े अलग भी दिखते हैं. But ये जो अलग दिखते हैं ना, उसको हम क्या बोलते हैं? उसको हम लोग बोलते हैं variations. What do we call it as? We call it as variations. Understood? And these variations are absolutely necessary because they help us in survival. They help us in survival to the various changes that happens in our environment, right? जैसे अचानक से there can be hundreds of crows out there and they are like, oh, you are the next target, and they eat you up. Is that possible? Or they kidnap you. तो क्या होगा? If you don't have a particular weapon to kill them all off, will you survive? No, you will not survive, right? So you need a particular weapon to survive in that situation. In the same way, to survive in the environment with amazingly changing conditions, you need to have all sorts of weapons under your hands, right? So that is what variation helps us in for survival. It can be accidental, it can be with the help of nature, yes, or just tumhara mota patla hona. That all variations are counted. Okay, yes. Then we are starting with asexual reproduction, you guys. Yes, asexual reproduction. What is asexual reproduction? जो कि सिर्फ होता है involving only one parent. Yes, and we are going to learn 6 different types of asexual reproduction. First will be fission, then we'll go on to budding, fragmentation, vegetative propagation, regeneration, and spore formation. Yes. So are you ready? Hi Preeti Pandey. Hello. Let's move on. First we are moving on to binary fission. अभी fission मतलब क्या होता है? Fission मतलब होता है splitting, directly splitting. Yes, and bi मतलब क्या होता है? Two. So we are splitting into two, guys. So binary fission मतलब क्या? One particular organism is divided into two daughter cells, and that is generally seen in microorganisms, especially हमारी हर जगह मिलने वाली amoeba. Now as you know, amoeba does not have a particular shape. Yes, तो आप उसको कोई भी प्लेन में काटो, आप उसको वर्टिकल काटो, इफ यू कट इट वर्टिकल, यू कट इट हॉरिजॉन्टल, यू कट इट रेडियल, फ्रॉम ऑल द प्लेन्स इट इज गोइंग टू गेट डिवाइडेड इनटू टू इक्वल पार्ट्स, राइट? यस, तो अमीबा को ना कोई चक्कर नहीं है कि मुझे सिर्फ वर्टिकल कटना है, कि मुझे सिर्फ हॉरिजॉन्टल कटना है, ताकि ऑल द ऑर्गेनल्स आर इक्वली डिस्ट्रीब्यूटेड to both the daughter cells, but not all organisms are as lucky as amoeba. Understood? Yes. So we will see who that unlucky person is. But before that, please see this. This is how binary fission happens. Yes. Hi, Sparsh Mahajan. Hello. Okay, this is how it works. Now, अभी हमने बोला था कोई तो ऐसा बंदा होगा बेचारा जिसको एक पर्टिकुलर डायरेक्शन में ही चलना पड़ेगा ताकि all the organisms are equally, organelles in the organism are equally distributed to both daughter cells. So here you have the example of euglena. Okay, so just imagine cutting the euglena like this. तो क्या होगा? न्यूक्लियस तो ऊपर वाले के पास चले जाएगा, फ्लैजिला भी उसके ऊपर चले जाएगा, राइट? तो बेचारे नीचे वाले के पास बचा क्या? हाउ विल इट सर्वाइव? सो हॉरिजॉन्टल इज नॉट पॉसिबल. When you put radial, radial में क्या होगा? आधा न्यूक्लियस गया. How will it survive on आधा न्यूक्लियस? Is it possible? It is not absolutely possible. So the most feasible option is to cut it in a straight line vertically, right? In a vertical plane, and that is what exactly happens in euglena. The binary fission मतलब जब बॉडी के दो पार्ट होने वाले हैं to give two new daughter cells happens in the vertical plane. Yes, as you can see in this picture. And before that, the body is preparing to get divided into two bodies. मतलब क्या? अभी तो मैं एक थी, अगर मुझे एक से दो होना है तो मेरे को आँख चार लानी पड़ेगी, नाक दो लाने पड़ेंगे, हाथ भी चार लाने पड़ेंगे ताकि दो मेरे पास रहे एंड दो उनके पास जाए, राइट? सो आई हैव टू डबल all the things that I have. In the same manner, the euglena also doubles everything that it has, so both the daughter cells can have them equally. And over here the fission is from the middle, that is from the vertical plane, right? And euglena is one of them. Hi Sia. Hi Muhammad Ashif. Yes, boliye. Next is multiple fission. What is multiple fission? Multiple fission हमेशा याद रखना happens in unfavorable condition, ठीक है? वरना तो हम binary fission ही कर लेते ना. Multiple fission क्यों? क्योंकि whenever there is unfavorable condition, any organism, mostly amoeba and paramecium are examples which you need to remember. So they make a cyst, okay? They make a cyst, मतलब एक covering बनाते हैं बहुत सुंदर सा. So it is like how in coronavirus we are all inside our houses and the walls are a covering. बराबर अगर हमको बाहर जाना रहता है, बाहर is unfavorable condition, we are not supposed to go. In the same manner इनके साथ भी होता है. तो बैठे बैठे क्या करें? तो let's do fission. So the nucleus over here divides, redivides and forms many daughter cells inside, and as soon as the conditions are favorable, the cyst will be broken and all of these daughter cells will be released outside. Understood? Why? Because bahar to favorable conditions hai, nacho gao kuch bhi karo, so they all are released. Understood? That is what multiple fission. Clear? Yes. Plasmodium and amoeba, two common examples that you can have. Next we are moving on to fragmentation. I know most of us कभी बारिश में बाहर जाने का मौका नहीं मिला, but अगर बारिश let's say कोरोना नहीं होता and you would go outside, तो everywhere in India we do have holes in the road, right? Yes, and अभी आपको ना वो hole में पानी दिखेगा. अगर वो holes में पानी भरा हुआ है, so you will also see some green color fragment like structures which are floating over there, right? And most of the time it is a algae called as Spirogyra. It is an algae called as Spirogyra, right? Now Spirogyra shows an ability, okay, an ability used for asexual reproduction. And what is that? That is fragmentation, you people. That is called as fragmentation. इसका मतलब क्या कि उनके जो fragments होते हैं, उनका जो एक एक let's say if you see Spirogyra over here, can you see how long it is? Yes. So कभी कभी जैसे आपने पैर दे दिया या बाजू का एक पत्थर लग गया, so this long hair like structure is going to get broken, and when it breaks, these two pieces can become whole new organisms again, two individual organisms, and that is called as fragmentation, you people. Understood? Yes. समझे कि नहीं? तो ये होता है किधर Spirogyra में. I think you all have seen this diagram. Yep. Next, regeneration. Now I would like to ask the question that I ask most of my students कि भैया आपने कभी बचपन में छिपकली की गलती से पूंछ काट दी है, या कभी मस्ती में पूंछ काट दी है? किया है कि नहीं किया है? So if you see that, and अगर आपने कभी भी गलती से बेचारे छिपकली रानी की अगर आपने पूंछ काट दी है, you will see कि वो तो पहले तड़पती है. कौन? छिपकली भी and पूंछ भी, right? But the छिपकली dies. Does the छिपकली die? No, guys. The lizard does not die. Why? Because ये जो wall lizard है ना हमारी, it has a very unique ability in the tail part to regenerate. मतलब क्या? जो tail अभी आपने काटी है ना, उसको हम क्या कर सकते हैं? Regenerate कर सकते हैं. मतलब क्या मम्मा? मतलब ये कि हम इसको वापस बना सकते हैं. Yes. So that is regeneration for you beautiful people. Understood? Yes, that is what regeneration. Now, does only lizard can do regeneration? Nahi bacha. We have another organism, that is planaria, which is generally a parasite which enters a host and उसके nutrition पे जीती है. तो अगर आपने वो planaria को भी क्या किया? काट दिया ना. जैसे ये पूरी body है, and if you cut the body into 3 pieces, you will see each piece can form into a new body. Okay, now this is regeneration, but most of the time students are confused कि मैम fragmentation and regeneration में difference क्या है, right? So always remember in fragmentation क्या होता है कि जो भी piece parent body से अलग होगा, right, it will divide and both of them will form into individual new organisms. But if you see regeneration में ऐसा नहीं होता. There what happens कि each piece may or may not have the ability to regenerate, right? मतलब क्या कि जैसे if you see lizard over here, lizard की पूरे body के पास नहीं है. Lizard को अगर आप यहाँ से काटोगे तो regenerate कर सकती है? नहीं कर सकते. She will die, right? So what is happening? Not all parts have the ability to regenerate, okay? Yes, and regeneration के लिए specialized cells लगते हैं, guys. We need specialized cells which are not required in fragmentation. तो जो एरिया में वो specialized cells होंगे वहीं पर regeneration होगा. Understood? Otherwise regeneration is not going to happen. Clear? Yes. So that is regeneration for you all. And starfish also reproduces asexually through the process of regeneration. ठीक है? Okay. Next, we are moving on to budding, you people. Now, how many of you कभी जाते you were looking at your phones and scrolling and messaging and ऐसे जाके धड़म करके you have gone and hit a wall or a bus pole और बस दूसरे इंसान से टकरा गए हो? Have you done that? Yes. And कभी गलती में fighting में आपका सर किसी और से टकराया है? Have you done that? And have you observed कि एक मस्त बड़ा सा एक डोम जैसा स्ट्रक्चर आ जाता है on your forehead? Have you seen that? Yes. So basically always imagine कि ऐसा imagine करो कि आप human नहीं हो, आप कोई और organism है, ठीक है? And जब आपके सर पे वो डोम जैसा स्ट्रक्चर आएगा, उधर से फिर नया ऑर्गेनिज्म स्टार्ट होगा ग्रो करना, एंड फिर जब वो अच्छा खासा ग्रो हो जाएगा वो मस्त काट दिया जाएगा फ्रॉम द पेरेंट बॉडी एंड विल गो एंड लिव इट्स ओन लाइफ. यस, that is exactly what budding is. In any organism that shows the property of budding, what is going to happen बच्चा? पेरेंट हाइड्रा के ऊपर पहले थोड़ा एक डोम जैसा स्ट्रक्चर आएगा जैसा हमारे साथ होता है. यस, फिर ये बोलेगा कि भाई पेरेंट मम्मा मुझे न्यूट्रिशन दो ना, तो न्यूट्रिशन मिलेगा उसको किधर से? पेरेंट बॉडी से. यस, एंड देन इट इज लाइक खा के पीते मोटे होके तो मस्त आराम से it will grow. Yes, and then once it is big enough you will see कि वो धीरे पेरेंट की बॉडी के उधर से डिटैच होने लगेगा. Then it will get finally detached from the parent body, and then it will fall off, flow with the water, and then find a good little place that he can call its home and will grow over there, right? Yes, so that is what happens in budding, you people. Understood? Yes. Then we are moving on to this. Do you see? Here you have two things. यहाँ पे budding चल रहा है हाइड्रा देवी का, यहाँ पे budding चल रहा है ईस्ट देवी का. Okay, see that. First you look at budding. Yes. Let's look at budding. Can you see over here? Can you see over here? This is a east. This is a east. One east. Okay. And can you see this is growing, 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 growing. It started with being such small and now it is growing, growing, growing and attaining this shape. What is that? मतलब एक डोम जैसा स्ट्रक्चर आया ईस्ट के ऊपर. Now it is growing, 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 and after it grows fully, it is going to get separated from the parent body. Over here, you can also see that. Yes, so these both are buds. These both are buds. Next, let's move on to Hydra. ठीक है? Yes, these are the tentacles of Hydra. यहाँ पे there's a mouth opening for the Hydra, and यहाँ पे over here you will see there will be a small chomot which will be coming, a dome shaped structure. Yes, that is nothing but a bud, and which will grow, 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 and once it is आराम से खुद के लायक जीने वाला तो वो ऐसे सेपरेट हो जाएगा from the parent body and will go and live its own particular life. ठीक है? Okay, that is what we have in budding. Next, we are moving on to vegetative propagation, you people. Yes, so what is vegetative propagation? Hi, Priyanka Kulkarni. Hello. Hi, Bhavatharni. I don't think so. There will be Menti. We'll be doing quiz, which we have to answer in the comment section only. Nothing big. Okay? Yes. So that is it. What we have for today. Now, let's move on to vegetative reproduction. Now, when I say vegetative reproduction, what is the first thing that comes to your mind, guys? Anything? कुछ याद आता है? क्या आप कभी बाजार गए हो जहाँ पे आपने मस्त आलू छाट छाट के खरीदे? Yes, and when you are doing that, do you observe ये आलू के ऊपर ना कुछ तो white structures रहते हैं जो आलू के surface के ऊपर grow रहते हैं? Yes, and अगर आप उसको निकालोगे, so you will see there is always some kind of depression जिसके ऊपर वो आ रहा है, right? इसका मतलब क्या? That particular structure is called as eye, and they have the ability to what? To make a new plant of potato. Exactly. इसका मतलब क्या? ये तो seed नहीं है, ये तो potato है, हम खाने वाले बराबर. और ये इतने सारे eyes, there's no seeds. इसका मतलब क्या? कि this particular thing is helping to grow a new plant, and whenever someone is helping to grow a new plant, what will happen? If it is not flower, if it is not fruit or seed, ये सब तो reproductive parts of the plant, right? तो हमारे पास बचते हैं vegetative parts of the plant. So that is leaf, then you have potato. What is potato? It is a stem tuber, guys. Yes, and we also have ginger, or you can say turmeric. That is nothing but rhizome-like structure. So if you have bryophyllum, if your mama knows what bryophyllum is, if you know what bryophyllum is, तो इसके जो leaf का margin होता है ना, they have this curvy type of situation going on, and from every this point a new plant can grow. Yes, so अगर आपने इतना part काट के अगर आपने soil में डाल दिया, so that part is going to give you a new bryophyllum plant, right? And over here a new plant is coming out of a leaf, guys. Yes, so that is absolutely right. Over here a leaf is showing what? The property of reproduction. लीफ क्या है? वेजिटेटिव पार्ट है, इसीलिए हम उसको बोलते हैं वेजिटेटिव प्रोपगेशन. अंडरस्टूड? यस. नेक्स्ट, अब ये जो वेजिटेटिव प्रोपगेशन होते हैं, वी नॉट ओनली हैव लीव्स, स्टेम्स, पोटैटो के आईज, एंड सेम विद गोस टू द turmeric part, but there are some other processes also. Let's look at them. First we have grafting over here, guys. First we have grafting. अब grafting में क्या होता है? You have two plants, okay, which you are like कि भाई ये मरा जा रहा है, इसको ना मैं इसके साथ join कर देता हूँ ताकि it can also live a healthy life, right? So you take a stalk, okay. What is a stalk? Stalk is the base plant, that is your original plant which is still attached to the roots. Yes, वो आपके गमले में अभी भी है. So this is your stalk. Then you have a scion, okay. This is your scion. तो must you make if you see the gif over here, you will be able to see कि must कैसे काटा. Yes, and then you attach another piece of plant over it. Yes, तो इससे क्या हो जाएगा, and then you cover it with mosses that can provide the hydration, and then you cover it with a tape. Yes, तो वो क्या करता है, उनको ज्वाइन करने में मदद करता है. एंड देन जो मर रहा था प्लांट अभी तक, दैट विल स्टार्ट टू ग्रो. व्हाई? बिकॉज नाउ इट हैज a new water supply, a new food supply, and it can aram se live a very happy life, right? Yes, so that is what vegetative propagation is, guys. So that we just saw was grafting. So grafting and layering are two of those sorts which can be used to propagate plants who have lost the ability to reproduce by seeds. Yes, तो हम उसको ऐसे artificially propagate कर सकते हैं. This is also used for propagation of plants like banana, oranges, roses and jasmine. ठीक है? Okay. Now as you see over here, there is no fertilization happening. Flower से pollination नहीं हो रहा है, कुछ नहीं हो रहा है. What is this? Asexual type of reproduction. So this over here, whatever you get, plants are produced genetically. Whatever plants are produced are genetically similar to the parent plant, right? Because there is no new set of fertilization happening. तो characters जो रहेंगे parent और नए plant के same रहेंगे. Now this is another one, that is layering. This is layering, you beautiful people. Yes, what is layering? Layering is nothing wherein you take a plant जिसके flexible shoots होते हैं, ठीक है, उसको आप क्या करोगे, must you will take it to the ground. Yup. And then when it reaches the ground, this एक part को ना आप मस्त जमीन में, you will cover it with the soil, and you cover it with the soil and you leave for some days, that particular part will start growing roots, you people. Yes, that is absolutely right. And when it starts growing roots, what is going to happen? You cut it from here and you can make this a new plant. Yes, that is exactly what the process of layering is all about. Okay, I hope the video over here and the image over here are doing justice and are helping you to understand. Yes, is it clear? बराबर है कि नहीं, बराबर पकड़े हैं कि नहीं? So you can drink water, you have 1 minute break, then we are moving on, guys. Yes. Next and the last one for our sexual reproduction is spore formation. And what is spore formation, guys? What is spore formation? I am damn sure you like having bread pakora, sandwiches, right? And कभी आपने वो bread को सड़ने दिया है, कभी आपने वो bread को सड़ा है, and then there's this beautiful, I mean bad smell that comes out of it, and you also see some green white color ऐसे चीजें दिखाई देती हैं, and there's a netted like structure, right? What is all of that? That is nothing but something we all know as fungus, you people. Yes, whenever you keep bread beyond their expiry date, उनको क्या हो जाता है, fungus लग जाता है. Yes, and now we are going to look at कि how this fungus exactly reproduces. इतने सारे कैसे लग जाते हैं उन छोटे से piece of bread में. Yes, so let's see. Now whenever you see that fungus, and if you have forceps or if you want to see what is going on in there, so they also have root like structures. इसकी वजह से वो surface को पकड़ के रख सकते हैं, जिसको हम बोलते हैं rhizoids. Yes, rhizoids are what? Root like structures, you people. Okay, so ये नीचे वाला part हो गया. Then you have the shoot like region. Yes, that is not exactly shoot because we are not talking about plants, तो हमने इसको नाम दिया है hyphae, guys. We call it as hyphae. Okay, understood? And then what do we have? We have on the tip of the hyphae some ball-like structures. Yes, ball packet-like structure, and these are called as sporangium. These are called as sporangium. Understood? Yes, जैसे आपका Kinder Joy का मस्त एक ball होता है, and when you open it, you have all that chocolatey goodness inside. In the same way, the sporangia is storing all the spores. Yes, and as soon as they mature, and when we break the sporangium, all the spores are dispersed into the air, into the atmosphere, and these spores will go and fall on a surface, and उनको अगर temperature अच्छा लगा, humid लगा, wet लगा, moist लगा, and then they will start growing in there also. Yes, understood. So this is a type of vegetative propagation with the help of spores. So ये basically हम देखना चाहते हैं in funguses, but there are some microalgae also which do reproduce by spore formation. ठीक है? Okay, so this is how they do it. And जो तुम्हारे breath के ऊपर fungus होता है, क्या आप उसका नाम बता सकते हैं? It's there on the slide also, but try and answer it by yourself. It will be a little fun revision for you. Yes? Okay, so should we move on, guys? Should we move on? Yes. Oh, we have quizzes again. So I drink water. You also get ready. Hi Rajashri, now is the quiz. Very good, Manav. You gave absolutely right answer. So are you all ready for a quiz? And the quiz will not be a Menti quiz. We will give the answers in the comment section right here, guys. Are you ready to do that? Are you people ready to do that? तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं. Very good, Manav. You gave. Okay, so the first question for you is, what type of asexual reproduction does the figure represent? Okay, and I am waiting in the chat section for you guys to answer. Chalo, 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 chalo. Yes. Hi Rajashri, hello. Please answer in the comment section. Jaldi. Yes, Alicia says it's C. Manav also says it's C. Anybody else? Anu, kya baat hai? Okay, anybody else? Venkatesh. Very good, Alicia. Kya baat hai? Very good. So, I think that is the right answer. Should I tell it is the right answer? Because बाद में जो answer देखेंगे उनके लिए तकलीफ हो जाएगा. They'll be like, पता चलिए answer. क्या करूँ? बता दूँ या नहीं बताऊँ? Ah, very good, Ayush. Very good. Yes. Okay. So, the correct answer is C, that is regeneration. Okay, yes. Moving on to the next question. Which among the following does not reproduce by spore formation? थोड़ा सा दिमाग, थोड़ा सा logic and you will be set, guys. Yes, believe me. चलो चलो, fast. अच्छा चलता हूँ. Guys, if you know you're ready, you know what you're supposed to do. Answer it right now in the chat section. Yes, very good people. Anybody else? कौन 8वीं पास से तेज है जरा बताइए हमको. Very good Alicia, very good. और गौरव, very good वेंकटेश, very good Ayush. क्या बात है. I think you will skip I telling the answer in the video because जो नए students आएंगे जिन्होंने अगर recorded sessions देखा तो they'll be like sad with it. Yep. So yeah, you all gave absolutely right answers. Let's move on. The rapid spreading of bread mold on slices of bread are due to dash presence of large number of spores in the air, presence of large number of thread-like branch hyphae, presence of moisture and nutrients, formation of round shaped sporangia. So yeah, answer. Hi Sarika, hello. Shaila, you're Shaila. Hi Shaila. Jaldi. Is anyone answering? Because I don't see you answering this question. Okay, very good, you people. Very good. Yes. Hi, KP Pushottam. Purushottam. I hope it's Purushottam. Hi, if you know the answer, please join in. You are going absolutely right, you people. That is amazing, amazing. Let's move on to the next question. The asexual reproduction in the Spirogyra involves dash. A. Breaking up of filaments into smaller bits. B. Division of a cell into many cells. Then we have C. Division of a cell into two cells. Formation of a large number of buds. Yes. The live chat is your stage, guys. Go on, rock on, guys. Yes, you can answer it absolutely right, and I know that. Jaldi, 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 jaldi. Go, 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 Govindas. You can do it. Yes, very good, Alicia. Very good, Anu. Very good. Yes. Ah, Manav, you're absolutely right. Yes, very good, Venkatesh ji. क्या बात है, कैसी चल रही है आपकी जिंदगी, वेंकटेश जी? So, yeah. Let's move on to the next question. That is, reason for greater similarities among the offsprings produced by asexual reproduction is. Asexual reproduction involves only one parent. Asexual reproduction involves two parents. Asexual reproduction involves gametes. And for this, asexual reproduction does not involve gametes, guys. So, yeah, choose wisely. For reason for the greater similarities among the offsprings produced by asexual reproduction. Jolly, 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 jolly in the air. You can answer it, guys. Come on. Must. क्या बात है वेंकटेश जी, क्या बात है? Yes, very good. Yup, move on. Jolly, 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 jolly in the air. Jolly, 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 jolly in the air. Very good. Anu, very good. Anybody else? I know. So answer, guys. If you know the answer, please answer. हमको कैसे पता चलेगा? आपको कैसे पता चलेगा कि आप right दे रहे कि wrong दे रहे? Yes. Yup. Very good, KB Purushottam. That's the spirit, you boy. Yes. Let's move on to the next question. The process of division of cell into several cells during reproduction in Plasmodium is termed as dash. Again, a very easy peasy lemon squeezy question. I know that. So answer it, guys. Answer. Jaldi. La la la. Go, 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 Govindas. You can do this. Ala re ala. Jo pol tumko mangta hai tha wo ala. Come on, answer. Very nice. Kya baat hai? Everyone is giving me absolutely right answers. Very nice, very nice. Let's move on. Aage. Hi, Shelly. Hi, I like your name, bacha. Let's move. Hi, Sangita. Hi, Sangita. How are you? Yeah. The in a potato, vegetative propagation takes place by dash. OMG, look at that face. Yes, that face that you're making while you're thinking the answer to this question. Yes, everybody. Allah, jo bol tumko mangta hai Allah. Hi. Yes. Come on, you can do this, people. Most of you have already answered it absolutely right. Anybody else? Yes. Okay, you're going in a spree. You all are absolutely right, guys. Absolutely right. Avani Gupta, आपको कौन सा code चाहिए बच्चा? Which code do you want? The next question is on the screen. Plants like banana, rose, jasmine, orange have lost the capacity to produce A. Seeds, B. Buds, C. Flower, and D. Roots. Yes. Anu Chauhan, which code do you want, guys? Today we are not doing any Menti quiz or any Unacademy life quiz. Yes, we are not doing that. We are doing the quiz in the chat section. Yep, people. Yes. Tell me the answer. It is a direct line from the textbook. Yes, that is absolutely right. Jaldi, 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 jaldi. Very good, Sujal Raikar. Yes. अनु चौहान क्विज ही तो चल रहा है. Yup. Absolutely right, you guys. आपको मिलते हैं बस आपका satisfaction. Yes, that you know the answer. Next, in Spirogyra, a sexual reproduction takes place by, I think it's a repeated question, so we will move on. The ability of a cell to divide into several cells. What is happening? Oh, I was pressing the wrong buttons. Okay, the next question is here. Characters transmitted from parents to offsprings are present in dash cytoplasm, ribosomes, Golgi bodies, or genes. La 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 lorry, give me a doodh ki katori, so I can answer the right answers. Can you do this? Yes, very nice, very nice. Jaldi. Jaldi, 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 in the air. Very great, people, very great. Yes, absolutely right, guys. And guys, I did not tell you, did I? It's a YouTube live session. You're supposed to like, share, and subscribe. Don't ever forget that. Next question. Characters that are transmitted from parents to offsprings during reproduction show what? Only similarities? Only variations? Both similarity and variations, or neither similarity nor variation? भाई कुछ नहीं होता, क्या फर्क पैंदा है? जल्दी बताइए क्या आंसर है. Wow, Anu, that is absolutely great. संगीता नहीं यार बच्चा, आज मेंटी नहीं है. Yes, I'm sorry. ऋषभ जैन, क्या बात है. नीतू जाट, हाय नीतू जाट, हमने ऑलरेडी असेक्सुअल रिप्रोडक्शन तक पढ़ लिया है. Yes, that we are already done. Yup, guys. Yes, you are on fire. Absolute fire. क्या बात है? Yes, you are absolutely right, guys. It is both similarities and variations. Oops, I know the answer, but no worries, you know. A feature of reproduction that is common to amoeba, Spirogyra, and yeast. What is that? Jaldi. God bless you, Anuji. Faster, 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 guys. You can answer this question. Come on, gear up, you people. Rishabh Jain. Hi, Rishabh Jain. Very nice to have you. Yes. Very great, people. Very great. उत्कर्ष, क्या बात है उत्कर्ष जी. हाय. यस, चलिए आगे बढ़ते हैं. इन rhizopus, a tubular thread-like structures bearing sporangia at their tips are called as dash. A. Filaments, B. Hyphae, C. Rhizoids, or D. Roots. जल्दी बताइए, जल्दी बताइए. नीतू, और oh wow, hi नीतू, hello. Someone is saying B, some is saying C. Why? What is happening? Yes, Anu Chauhan, surely. Yeah, that is absolutely right, guys. Most of you are giving me the answer. Yes, absolutely right. Yes, Utkarsh, बिल्कुल सही पकड़े, बिल्कुल सही पकड़े हैं. Yes, 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 yes. Next, vegetative propagation refers to formation of new plants from stem, roots and flowers, stem, roots and leaves. C option, stem, flowers and fruits, stem, leaves and flowers. What do you think is the right answer? Tell me in the comment section right now. अच्छा चलता हूँ दुआओं में याद रखना. बट टाइम है लेक्चर खत्म होने को. डोंट वरी. Jolly, jolly, jolly. Yes, yes, yes. Hi, Lakshman. Hello. How are you doing, Lakshman? Very good. Yes, we already have people who are correcting the answers in the chat box itself. Isn't that nice, guys? Yes. So it is absolutely right, guys. Your answer is absolutely right. So we have everybody. Wow. Thank you, Rishabh Jain. Thank you so much. Next question on the screen. Reproduction is essential for living organisms in order to dash. Keep the individual organism alive, fulfill their energy requirement, maintain growth, continue the species generation after generation. What do you think is the right answer? La 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 la. You're giving me the answer, guys? Are you? Hi, Salani Prajapati. Everything is fine. Yes, how are you doing? Come on, people, come on, people. आओ करे पोल शुरू. जोर से नाचो, जोर से घूमो. Give me right answers, you. Yes, you. Give me right answers. Yes, that is absolutely correct, guys. The answers that you gave me are absolutely correct. And आपको मिलते हैं satisfaction, pay satisfaction of giving the right answer. Yes, that is absolutely right. Yes, Sangeeta, thank you so much. Bryophyllum, next question. Bryophyllum can be propagated vegetatively by A. Stem, B. Leaf, C. Root and D. Flower. Yes. Oh, Purushottam ji, kya baat hai? Thank you so much. Yes. La 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 la. Have you seen a bryophyllum plant, guys? Have you seen a bryophyllum plant? Have you done that? क्या उसको देखा है? क्या उसको देखा है? क्या उसको पहचाना है आपने? Hi प्रशांत, क्या बात है? How are you doing? Yes, प्रशांत जी आप A क्यों बोल रहे हो? A क्यों बोल रहे हो? Okay, oh my god, people now know that A is not the correct answer. Okay, most of you have absolutely given me the right answer. Yes, guys, congratulations. Congratulations and celebrations. Next question on the screen. The ability of an organism to develop whole body from a broken piece or fragment is called as dash. आपके ऑप्शंस हैं आपकी स्क्रीन पर, फिर भी हम बोल देते हैं. A. Binary fission, B. Budding, C. Multiple fission and D. Regeneration. आपके हिसाब से आपको जो भी सही लगता है वो आंसर दे दीजिएगा in the comment section, guys. Yes, you have seen. क्या बात है मानव जी. नहीं, उत्कर्ष जी ने देखा है. That is absolutely great. Ma'am, which country are you there now? Oh, I live in India. Yes. Vatan mera India. I love my India. Yes. Moving on to the next question. Oh, no questions. इसका मतलब क्या कि हम हमारे questions को finish कर चुके हैं And now we are going to do a little bit of introduction of the topic that we are going to start tomorrow, that is sexual reproduction. So whenever I say sexual reproduction, always remember there is involvement of two parents. Two parents बराबर मतलब germ cells कितने होंगे? Two germ cells are involved, right? Yes, absolutely right. Can you tell me what is the male germ cell called as in human beings, and what is the female germ cell called as? Yes, I want your answers right now. Jaldi. Hi Riteshoni, I am absolutely fine. How are you doing, bacha? Yes. Okay. Now in sexual I think abhi tak aap answer de doge, so I'm just moving ahead. So whenever we talk about sexual reproduction, always remember there is something called as fertilization. And how do you define fertilization? Fusion of male gamete with female gamete is called as fertilization. Understood? So until and unless there is no combination of two individuals, yes, we do not get a new organism in sexual reproduction. So combining of DNA is a very essential part. Okay, yes, right. And हम already बता चुके हैं कि अगर 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 हमारे पास cell division नहीं होता, basically which type of cell division, ma'am? Which type of cell division? I know you have already given me the answer to male and female, that is sperm and ova. तो क्या दोनों के पास 46 chromosomes each होते हैं या do they have 23 chromosomes? What is the पंगा here? What do you think? What is it? Yes, जल्दी बताइए. रितेश सोनी जी हम अनअकैडमी ऐप पे हैं, बिल्कुल हैं, आप बोलिए. आप आइए आज. टुडे वी हैव अ स्पेशल लेक्चर फॉर 9th standard at 3 o'clock and 10th standard at 4:30 on Unacademy app, guys. Yes, you can find me there also. Okay, so both of them have 23 chromosomes each. मतलब क्या होना तो 46 चाहिए था, but 46 का आधा हो गया. ये कैसे हो गया? So do you remember the two types of cell division that we have already studied, that is meiosis and mitosis? So meiosis is the process that happens in germ cells, right? वो क्या कर देता है उनको haploid बना देता है. What is the meaning of haploid, guys? Haploid का मतलब होता है half the number of chromosomes in comparison to the original number of chromosomes that were present. Understood? So jab we have both haploid coming in, we will form a diploid. What is diploid? The original number of chromosomes, that is 46, or we can say it as 23 pairs of chromosomes. I hope everybody understands that. Yes. KP Purushottam. Thank you so much, bacha. Thank you so much. Next, whenever we say sexual reproduction, अभी तो आपने बोला ओवा भी है, sperm भी है, but आपने देखा है दोनों के साइज में कितना difference है. So why is the difference there, guys? Why is the difference there? So when we will move आगे, you will understand with very much clarity. But for now, always remember, एक जो germ cell होता है वो काम लेता है खाना प्रोवाइड करने का, okay, to give all the nutrition that might be required while the fertilization and the growth of the baby is happening, right? So that in most of the cases is done by the female germ cell, that is the egg. So you see the egg, it is non-motile. Yes, and it is so big in comparison to the sperm out there. Yes, ऐसा क्यों? Because the non-motile gamete is storing food, whereas the motile gamete, motile मतलब क्या होता है, guys? Who can locomote. What is the meaning of locomote? They can go from one place to the another, right? Yes, that is the male gamete over here, that is the sperm. Yes, absolutely right, guys. Yes, तो इनको क्या करना है, दूर दूर तक चल के जाना है, इसीलिए they are small. They have flagella-like structure that can aid in their motility. Yes, and if you see the female reproductive structure, that is an egg. वो क्या है? It is non-motile. It is there to provide with the food. Okay, clear? Sangita Kane Chapa. Thank you, Sangita. Thank you so much. Yes, now this is a GIF. And you can see that how these sperms are entering. Yes, and once the sperm have entered, you will see over here. Yes, फिर seal हो जाता है पूरा egg and no one else can enter. You see the whole egg is going blue, but that is not what happens. But over here, as a representation purpose, it is showing कि the gates of the eggs are closed and only one sperm can enter and no one else is going to be allowed anymore. So they die. Yes, because the sperms are decomposed, yeah, inside the body and it is not harmful. Yeah. Yes, guys. So I think that is it for today. If you have any doubts, इसके आगे का sexual reproduction and the further part will be done in tomorrow's lecture at the same timing, 1 p.m. Yes. So I will see you tomorrow at 1 p.m. Be ready. Yes, and we might have a Menti quiz. We might have a Menti quiz tomorrow, guys. Yes. So be there and bring your friends also. And while you're going, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. It's a request, humble request, guys. Yes. Hi, Pratyush Prabhakar. Hello, 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 बच्चा. How are you? बहुत जल्दी आ गए आप तो. Yes. Okay. I know दोपहर का time है. I know most of you might be feeling sleepy. इसीलिए हम बंद कर रहे हैं ये lecture को. And I will see you on an academy special today. Yes, because there are 2 lectures at 3 p.m. and 4:30. Specifically for 3 is for 9th standard CBSE and 4:30 is for CBSE class 10. ठीक है? Okay, I will see you there or I'll see you here tomorrow at 1 o'clock. Okay, तब तक के लिए bye bye, take care, stay home and stay safe, you people. Okay, so many of me are telling you this, so please take care of yourself.